Okay, there's a little mama goose with 2 babies down the Bonnet Creek. And there's some eider ducks off on the ocean there. I took a picture of them last winter.
They live in saltwater too?
Yeah, the saltwater ducks. And there's your famous piping plover.
Oh, that's what a piping plover
Supposed to taste like chicken. There's more of the eiders there, right? The jetties there. They're pretty duck, big duck too.
Can you?
And there's your ibis. Now this is something I've never seen around here before. Never
Can you
noticed.
zoom in on those?
Yes, I guess I can. Let me see. Oops. Can I move them up? There you go.
Oh, let's see.
Pretty birds.
Yeah.
There's the crows that used to come visit the crow we had in the pen there with the broken wing. What was his name? Joey. Joey. Yes, that's it. It's Joey's brothers and sisters, or the crew he hung out with anyway. And there's a wild turkey. The back law.
Just like the whiskey.
She's a hen turkey. She's a mother. She had young somewhere. Yeah.
How do you know she's a hen?
Because she don't have a snout and a beard coming out of her chest. There's more eider ducks. Well, I was in them eiders. There's more of them. Pretty ducks. There's a little cardinal coming to feed a young one. He was a new one. More ibis. There's a great white heron.
Oh, wow.
There he is flying. There's a blue jay. And a purple crackle. And there's some oyster crushers down there in that pig. We saw them, me and Jimmy Lester, when we was clamming down here. They were a different bird too, kind of odd looking. There's your piping plovers back again. There's your purple crackles. And a sparrow. More wild turkeys on Uncle Harold's boat out there. A little sparrow. There's a pair of yellow legs. They're good eating. There's the goose with the babies again. Now, how do you stop this thing? Just